everyone, welcome to byGoldenberry. I'm Tina. We're just going to go through how to do the treble crochet. This is what it looks like after 4 rows. And this is the treble crochet referred to in US terms, which is also known as the double treble in UK terms. If you're looking for the treble referred to in UK terms, which is a different stitch, there's another video on that you can find in my channel. We're going to go through how to work this stitch from the foundation chain and also from a previous row of treble stitches. So grab your hook and let's get started. I've crocheted a foundation chain of 15 chains, and this is where I want to start crocheting my treble crochet stitches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a stitch marker and just mark this last chain. So I know where my foundation chain ends and where I'm going to start my treble crochet stitches. And the treble crochet, if we have a look at the previous piece of crochet that we had, the height of the treble crochet is roughly about four chains long. So our starting chain will be 4 chains. So when we're working from the foundation chain, once we've decided how wide our project is going to be and where we want our trebles to start from, we're then going to chain 4 more chains to begin the treble crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have a starting chain. So really, if we look at it like this is our foundation chain. And from this point on, this is now the height of the treble crochet. So it's like this. So now that we've got our height sorted, we can start our first treble crochet. And what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over twice. So we have 2 yarn overs on the hook already from the beginning. And we're going to work straight into the 5th stitch. So we're skipping this whole working chain here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 5th stitch is the one that we marked. So right here, that's why we marked it. It's easier to work into if we've already marked it from the beginning. So we go straight into that stitch there, into that chain. We yarn over again and pull it through. So now we have 4 loops on the hook. We yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. We have 3 loops left on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through the next 2 loops. We have 2 loops left on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the last 2. So now we can see here that our first treble crochet is roughly the height of 4 chains. Let's do that again. So we'll yarn over twice, go into the next stitch, yarn over again, pull through, and we have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. And that's it. So you would just carry on working your trebles all along the foundation chain like you would normally. And then when we get to the end, we need to do another turning chain to start the next row. I've finished row 1 of treble crochets, so I have 15 altogether and the starting chain here. So now we're going to start our second row, and we're going to start with the turning chain again. So we'll make 4 chains like we did before. and that's our turning chain. We turn, and then we start our next treble crochet here into the last treble crochet we made on the previous row. So this is our last treble crochet. This is the top here, this V-stitch here, and we're just going to work into that on the opposite side. So we'll yarn over again twice, work straight into this stitch here, going under both loops, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And there we go, that's the beginning of our second row. And we just carry on like that, working the treble like we did. And that's it. It's really easy. Once you get the hang of the stitches, it's just pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Everything's 2. So yarn over twice, go into the stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Let me know if you have any questions. Just pop them in the comments below and I'll answer them as best as I can. If you liked this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe to the channel for new updates on tutorials and patterns, and I'll see you next time.